I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 10, page 438, linear systems. You should also follow the link and do similar questions as a practice for your test. Now the question here is solve the linear system. We have two different equations. That is how it forms a system, right? X minus 2 divided by 3 plus y plus 1 divided by 5 equals to 2, and x plus 2 divided by 7 minus y plus 5 divided by 3 equals to minus 2. First step is get rid of fractions, right? How are you going to do that? So in the first particular equation, we should multiply every term by 15. In the second one, 7 times 3 is 21. So we should multiply every term by 21. That is how we can get rid of fraction, okay? So let me rewrite this question, and then we'll multiply by 15. So we have x minus 2 over 3, and plus we have y plus 1 over 5 equals to 2. So when you multiply by 15 each term, it means like this: 15 times this, 15 times, is better to put that part in brackets, 2 times 15. That is what we mean, right? So when you multiply, 3 goes 5 times, you can simplify, 5 goes 3 times. So we get rid of fraction. That is the whole idea, right? So what do you get here? You get 5 times x minus 2 plus 3 times y plus 1 equals to 30, correct? Now let's simplify this by opening the bracket. So we get 5x minus 10 plus 3y plus 3 equals to 30. Bring the constants to the right side. So we have 5x plus 3y equals to 30 plus 10 minus 3. So we rewrite this: 5x plus 3y equals to 30 plus 10 is 40, take away 3 is 37, right? So we get 37. So we'll do the same thing here, multiplying everything by 21. So what do we get? So we'll do x plus 2 over 7 times 21. So I'm writing 21 here, minus 21 times y plus 5 over 3 equals to minus 2 times 21. So when you divide, you get 3 here, multiplying 3 with x plus 2, 7 there, right? So it's kind of cross multiplied, but not really. So now open the brackets. So it is 3 times x plus 2 minus 7 times, it's a good idea to rewrite this, okay, minus 42, okay. Open the bracket. 3x plus 6 minus 7y minus 35 equals to minus 42. So we have 3x minus 7y equals to minus 42 minus 6 plus 35. You should use calculator. Let's use calculator. So we have 35, take away 6, take away 42 equals to minus 13. So now we have two different equations, right? Let's call this as equation 2 for us. This is equation 1. Now we need to solve for x and y. So as you can see here, we have 3x minus 7y. Here we have 5x, 3y. To eliminate, what can we do? We can multiply the first equation by 3 and the second by 5 so that we can eliminate x, right? So that is one way of doing it. So let's do that. So what we are doing here now is we will do first equation, we are going to multiply by 3, right? So we are doing this times 3, and the second equation, we are that means only this part, correct, by 5. So if I do that, let me write them right here. So 3 times 5 is 15x plus 9y equals to, let's use calculator, okay? So we have 37 times 3 equals to 111, and the other one is 5 times 3 is 15x and minus 35y equals to 13 times 5, 65 with negative sign, so minus 65. So we got these two where the coefficients of x are same, right? So let's call them as equation 3 and 4. Now to get x or y, what should we do? we can take away, right? So we will do equation 3 take away 4. So let's do equation 3 take away 4. So as soon as you do that, x's get cancelled out. So you get 9 minus of minus 35. So it get added. So you get 9 plus 35 equals to 44. So what you get here is 44y. On the other side, you get 111 plus 65 equals to 176, right? So that is your equation now in y. So what we will do now here is we'll take it to this side, solve. So we have 44y equals to 176, or we can say y is equals to 176 divided by 44. So let's do that. So we have 176 divided by 44 equals to 4. So we get y as 4. Perfect. To find x, we can use one of our equations, right? So the equation is 5x plus 3y. So I'll write 5x plus 3 times, instead of y, I'll write 4, equals to 37. You get the idea. So what we did at this stage was, we substituted y equals to 4 in our equation number, this equation. Perfect. So that is what we did. Now we can solve for x. So we have 5x equals to 37 minus 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Now let's solve for x now. So let's solve for x. What do we get? So when we solve for x, we get x is equal to, we can write here also, but I'll substitute here. X is equals to 37 minus 12. Let's use calculator. Okay, 37 minus 12, that's how we do these days, right? Equals to 25 divided by 5, correct? So you could do 5x equals to 25 here, then divide by 5. So that is equals to 5. Perfect. So we get both x and y. So we can now write down our answer, which is x equals to 5 and y equals to 4. So that is how you could solve this linear system with fractions. It's a very interesting question, but follow my link, do those questions on your own so that you are absolutely ready for your test. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.